Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking you through the kit list for Magpie's Perfect Poly Acrogel Masterclass. This system is like acrylic, it's mouldable, it's got a putty-like consistency, but it doesn't have the ratio that you need to get perfect with acrylic. It doesn't have the set time because it cures in a lamp, and it doesn't have the odour. So it's absolutely fantastic for those of you guys that don't get on with acrylic. And personally, I find it a lot easier to control than gel too. Let me know if you guys are booked on in the comments below, and if you're not booked on but would like to book on, our fabulous 𝗰𝗵𝗆𝗶𝗵𝗲, one of the senior Magpie educators, has got space on Thursday the 24th of February 10 till 4. I think she's only got 1 or 2 spaces left. You can email her @𝗰𝗵𝗆𝗶𝗵𝗲𝗍beauty.co.uk. Sophie and our other fabulous educator, 𝗰𝗵𝗆𝗶𝗃𝗍, wrote these courses, so it'd be amazing if you can get on one of their courses. If you want to do a course with me, I've got space on the 28th of March at 10 till 4, that is a Sunday, and I will leave my booking links in the description box below. littleblankspaces.com is where you can see all my course availability. I've also got spaces on the social media and my Love Heart workshop as well. These are the designs from the Love Heart workshop, a couple that I've done so far. If you do want to book on, other educators do have spaces available, so you can email help@magpiebeauty.co.uk if you'd like to find out the whole list of educators and what courses they're running for Magpie. So let's go through the kit list that you guys are going to need if you are booked onto this course. First thing, obviously, you're going to need your acrogel. You get a choice between sweet peach or rosé, and you also get a choice between the tubs or the tubes. Now, this is just personal preference. It's the exact same product. Personally, I prefer the tubes. I'm used to working out of gel bottles, and I prefer the tubes, but if you're used to working out of a tub, then I would recommend you go for the tub. Rosé is what I've got on my hands here. This is just rosé overlay on my natural nails with a matte top coat, and it's an absolutely stunning nude colour. You're going to need your Perfect Poly liquid and something to put this in. So I've just got the Magpie dapping dish, the glass little jar, and it comes in 150ml. It's nice and small, you really don't need much for this. This is just to help your brush along with the product. Then we're going to need a brush to work with. You again have the choice of 2. So the first Perfect Poly brush is a lot shorter than the new Poly brush, and they have both got metal spatulas on the end so that you can get the product out of the nail using that. You can see there's quite a big difference there between each brush. Again, it's going to be personal preference. If you're used to working with a bigger brush, maybe you're an acrylic tech, I would go for the size 4. If you are used to working out of gel polish, again, this is my preference. I prefer the shorter one. Up to you what you want to use. You are going to need a few gels for this course. You need a base coat with this system. You can choose 𝗪𝗏𝗏 or All About the Base. Personally, I have been loving 𝗪𝗏𝗏 since it came out, so that is my go-to. And my favourite top coat is Don't Be Tacky. This is our no wipe top coat, but again, you can use whatever top coat you want. Shine Bright or Like a Diamond are also amazing. You're also going to need a gel colour. I've chosen Nina Cherry just because this is the most popular of my gels. I absolutely love it. If anybody's wondering, this is Jumping for Joy, the neon pink gel colour. But usually I have Nina Cherry on my nails all the time, but I was just in need of some beautiful brightness on my nails. Prep products is going to be the same for any other course you've done. You're going to need a cuticle tool, cuticle nippers, 240 zebra file and a 180 zebra file as well. Duster brush to get rid of your dust, and a lint-free wipe as well. A few lint-free wipes. And liquids, you're going to need your Prep and Dehydrate, remover, and your cleanser if you're using Like a Diamond or Shine Bright, which needs that inhibition layer removed. We are going to be doing extensions on this masterclass, so we do tips, sculpts and overlays. For your sculpts, you've got the choice between the butterfly forms and the FabFit forms. These are the FabFit forms and these are the butterfly forms. Personally, on my fingers, which are pretty teeny, I get on much better with the FabFit forms. If your fingers are bigger than mine, then I would suggest going for the butterfly forms. To be honest, I like having both in the salon because you're going to get such a different variety of clients in, but if I had to choose one, it would be the new FabFit forms. I love them. You need your tips. These are the normal tips, not the full-on tips. If you're interested on the full-on tips kit list, I will link that video. I've got that kit list on my YouTube as well. So you're going to need your tips, your glue and your little sprung scissors as well to cut them into shape. You'll need your lamp. It needs to be the Magpie lamp to cure this system in. and a little bit of couch roll, tissue paper, whatever it is you use to protect your desk and blot out your brushes on. So yeah, absolutely been loving rolling these courses out. All the feedback has been brilliant. The students are loving it, educators are loving it. If you've got any questions at all, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope everyone is safe and well. As always, thanks so much for watching and we'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!